Hey everyone, this is Bob from TwoOnlineRiches.com and this is Bob's Den. Adding an animation to your Instagram story would definitely make it interesting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animation to your Instagram story. Alright, so once you're in your Instagram account, either swipe right or tap on the camera icon on top left corner to get onto your camera. And you either take a video or a picture by using this big white button here. What I usually do is to go to camera roll and select a video or photo. I'll select this video for you guys, so that would actually cover all the photos as well. So I want to add an animation to this fidget spinner here. So what I'll do is I'll tap on this smiley icon on top and I'll go to GIF or GIF if you prefer that way. I'll just go with GIF. So I will just search for screaming face or maybe screaming, and that would load all the animation it has. And I would probably go with, I don't know, which one would you guys like? Maybe I'll just go with Drake there. Alright, so I got Drake here. So I'll just pinch and zoom to get to my desired size there. And once you do that, you have to hold down on that GIF, and that would freeze the video or pause the video, and also this timeline will appear down at the bottom here. So you can move this slider back and forth until you decide where you want this animation to start from. I'll actually start it from the start, and I'll move my little Drake face here onto this position here. So once you decide where you want it to, hold on to, once you decide that, hold down onto your animation to pin it, or you can actually hit pin there as well. So once you do that, there you go. You just added a animation to your video. This would apply if the subject moves or your camera moves. So that's how you add animation to your Instagram story. Once you're done, hit send to, and that would be your Instagram story, and that's how you add animation to your Instagram story. Alright, I really hope this video helped you guys in understanding how to add an animation to your Instagram story. Make sure you leave a comment if this helped, or if you have any questions at all, and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you next video. Bye.